This is the second video in the User Management Systems series. Using a model view control approach to application development is not hard, but does require an understanding and acceptance of the flow of the application. The controller, in our case index.php, is what holds the flow control structures. Open the index.php file. Since the controller will need access to the model, it has been brought into the controller's scope using the PHP require once statement on line 19. The model, as we will see in the next video, holds all of the database functions that will be used to insert, select, update, or delete data stored in the database. These four processes are collectively referred to as CRUD, create, read, update, and delete, all in respect to the data. In building the application, we will use the word action as the name for each name-value pair that will indicate to the controller that a specific process is to be triggered. There is nothing magical or required about the selection of the name action. It is simply a choice that has been made to add uniformity to the process. You will see that we are testing for a name of action in both the request and post objects on lines 29 through 33. While sometimes confusing to beginning programmers, you must remember that both the get and post methods carry information to the server from the browser. On lines 42 through the end of the file are the control structures that are used to carry out various processes that need to be controlled. Each of these processes is triggered by a test of the action variable to see if its value matches one of the values contained in the various case statements. See lines 43 and 57, for example. Each of these case statements is commented to indicate what the process is that will be done. Lastly, on lines 86 through 90 is the default process. In a switch control structure, each case is examined to see if its value matches the value of the variable placed in the switch item. See line 42. If so, the process is triggered. If none of the case values match, then the default is triggered. As written, if none of the case values match, the registration.php page, which is a view, is sent back to the browser, where the site visitor can fill in the values and submit it back to the application.